Welcome to the Advanced Creative Cutting Collection with Mazella&Palmer from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of advanced creative haircuts which combine graduation, layering, freehand and disconnection, and feature asymmetry, undercutting, extreme lengths and acute angles. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Mazella&Palmer teach you to create a soft, multi-level look, beginning the haircut in the lower back area, using acute and even over direction. Lesson 2 demonstrates a short, overlapping layered haircut with a strong visual outline and bold fringe. A creative men's haircut is the focus of Lesson 3, using flat graduation on one side, layering on the other side and disconnection through the parting. Lesson 4 is a triangular graduated shape with an undercut on the right-hand side and a bold fringe which travels back into the side areas to open up the face shape. And finally, in Lesson 5, Mazella&Palmer guide you through a shape which integrates a soft, round layered underneath with a disconnected fringe and a disconnected teardrop over the eye. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Advanced Creative Cutting Collection with Mazella&Palmer. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Advanced Creative Cutting Collection with Mazella&Palmer now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.